Hey, so if your emails are not sending on WeTransfer, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to share important files. Maybe the transfer completes, but the email never reaches the recipient. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve this problem. First, make sure you entered the correct recipient email address. Even a small typo can stop the email from being delivered, so double-check it carefully. Next, ask the recipient to check their spam or junk folder. Yeah, because sometimes WeTransfer emails end up there instead of the inbox. You can also try using the link option instead of email. Just generate a shareable link and send it manually through chat or another platform. Make sure your own email address is entered correctly too, since WeTransfer uses it during the sending process. If you're using a VPN or browser extensions, yeah, disable them temporarily as they can interfere with the sending process. You can also try switching to another browser to see if the issue is browser related. If your file is too large, it may not send properly, so try reducing the size or compressing it. And sometimes, yeah, it could just be a temporary delay or server issue, so waiting a bit and trying again can help. So yeah, that's how to fix WeTransfer email not sending problems. One of these steps should help your files get delivered successfully. Hey, so if you're